Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking at something popping up all over Facebook lately, a so-called 9-second phone trick, promising daily money just by using your phone. Sounds familiar, right? Remember when we talked about similar schemes like Wi-Fi profits, mini mobile ATM, or the 2-minute phone trick? Big promises, flashy ads, but in reality, complete garbage. Let's start with the ads themselves. They're everywhere on Facebook right now, promising $500 daily, claiming all you need is a smartphone and 9 seconds of your time. They say stuff like, why aren't more people using this trick? Big tech wants it hidden. Typical fear of missing out tactics. But here's where things start looking shady right away. If you carefully watch the promotional videos, you'll see huge stacks of $100 bills being thrown around. But zoom in closely and you'll spot the words, for motion picture purposes, printed right on the money. Yep, they're literally flashing fake cash, clear proof these scammers haven't made a dime from this method themselves. So, curiosity kicks in, and we click on the ad. Usually the link goes directly to a website called trymobilemonopoly.com or redirects through another site called 9secondphonetrick.site. Once you're on trymobilemonopoly.com, what do you see? Not much, just one promotional video and a tiny disclaimer buried way at the bottom. And here's the kicker. The disclaimer literally says, the average person who buys any how-to information gets little to no results. I mean, seriously, they're already admitting that most people won't make any money at all, so why even waste time watching the video? But for the sake of clarity, let's analyze that promotional video anyway. It paints a story of someone turning a broken, cracked smartphone into a daily income machine using a mysterious, hidden AI loophole. They promise that it's a simple trick anyone can do. No technical skills, no real effort needed. The video constantly repeats that you can escape your 9-to-5 job, pay your bills easily, and start enjoying financial freedom. It's loaded with typical emotional triggers, smiling families, relaxing beach vacations, stress-free lifestyles, all designed to hook desperate viewers. And guess what? At the very end, after building all that suspense, a hidden button magically appears, offering you the secret 9-second trick for a discounted price of $67. Now remember, their own disclaimer warns you'll probably see zero results. But hey, before anyone spends a dime, let's dig deeper. First, let's talk user reviews. The video includes testimonials from supposedly real people who've had their lives transformed. But go look for these testimonials yourself on legitimate review sites like Trustpilot, and what do you find? Absolutely nothing. No real reviews, no genuine user experiences, zero actual evidence that anyone ever made a dollar from this. But okay, maybe the payment processor is legit, right? Not exactly. Clicking Get Started takes you to a checkout page run by checkout-ds24.com, part of Digistore24. Check their Better Business Bureau profile, and you'll quickly see they have an F rating with over 170 complaints related to unauthorized charges, refund issues, and questionable practices. Consumers frequently complain about unexpected fees, recurring charges they didn't agree to, and difficulties getting refunds. Do you really want to give your payment information to a company like that? Let's dig even deeper. What exactly are you buying for those $67? Past experience from exposing these types of scams shows it's usually just generic affiliate marketing training, basic tips and strategies you can easily find for free on YouTube, blogs, or forums. There is no special AI loophole, no magic trick, and definitely no automatic cash flow generated just from your smartphone. You're essentially paying for recycled generic content that's freely available elsewhere. Finally, let's check out their domain registrations. Both 9secphonetrick.site and trymobilemonopoly.com were recently registered in early 2025, and both use privacy protection services to hide who really owns them. Legitimate companies usually maintain transparency, so hiding behind domain privacy is yet another massive red flag indicating they have something to conceal. One last critical question to ask yourself: if this 9-second trick genuinely makes $500 per day effortlessly, why would anyone sell it for just $67? Wouldn't they simply scale up, hire staff, and multiply their earnings exponentially? Exactly. It makes zero sense, and it's another classic hallmark of scams we've seen countless times. Bottom line, this 9-second phone trick is just another flashy, misleading scam designed to lure you in, take your money, and leave you with worthless information and empty promises. Protect your wallet. Don't fall for it. Thanks for tuning in. Take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.